And most of people have never heard of chronic cough, but it affects 10% of the world population.
Wow.
40% of those patients have refractory cough. They cough 70 to 100 times an hour.
Wow.
So the reason why you don't know them is they can't go out. They can't hang out in the bar. They can't go to
Sure.
work. They can't socialize because they're coughing all the time.
Right.
And so we had a lady who had chronic cough for 4 years, every day, all day and all night. They can't sleep either. It destroys their quality of life. There is no approved treatment. And for the patients that are refractory, they give them morphine and gabapentin just to reduce frequency, but now they're sedated.